CCTV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but 6% ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
U nongilam jong kaseng Kongres ha Assam u badeiru wei neki nongilam jong kaseng Kongres ha kari India barokawei. U Gaurav Gogoi u larem Kput ha kenika election assembly mentah ha Assam. U Gaurav Gogoi u yakun na Jorhat constituency but ula syarem hadu arpulai hajar sispa prapu arvot ha u Kyrtong ka BJP u Hitendranad Goswami. U Gogoi u yo 6,000 aspa san penyo vote. Kadba u Goswami pan u yo nrup khundai hajar sauspa laip khundai vote. Kaning dikisin ka baningkong yo u Gogoi bo un yakun yaka election assembly but ula syarem. U Gogoi menta udai u MP Lok Sabha na Jorhat constituency but udai u deputy leader jong kaseng Congress ha Lok Sabha. Kumbakayat ka jingyo vote menta ka peni baka BJP katam ha ki shispa iwei teliki constituency na ki shispa arpunri teliki constituency ha ka jala Assam.
I don't have any feeling. I have won the election. Maybe a bit in a larger numbers. But that doesn't mean that I have done lots of big things, because people are happy with me perhaps, and that's why they have come in a group, and I have got mass support in a sense. But I feel that next time also I will be able to do something, and I'm always devoted to the people.
Pidan dukan marbam ndai compare la ka bered ka pidi harut surok ni ka bahe kum ki restaurant bat ki wei ni pishat roti shat cake bat ki wei na ka benta ka koi ka khia chong ki pat ba nong bam nong di pat ba phinyo ka jingshania naki pidan kam bandon de ka license ka papaka ka bala ithu da ka an kata ka Food Safety and Standards Act arjar henril link ba ka section lai phoi iwei kam de ka ba e ba phinyo e ka license Pila ban apply ko online link ba ko website foscus.fssai.gov.in da ko pihap pan upload ru tegi kod kisla badan kam kat kum ka jajing kam jong pi Pila ru banyak kendo yaki designated officers lani food safety officers ke badan hak office terekam jong u lani ka district medical and health officer habaro ke district ke badan hamigalaya latno tang ha is khasihers Pila banlet bed siya ka office terekam jongki ka Commissionerate of Food Safety ke badan halowa lachumya. Nakabenta ka kot kakya kinong bam nong di. Lawan ra siya pi daga Commissionerate of Food Safety, Government of Meghalaya. Bat bala kershan daga Food Safety and Standards Authority of India.